How to find USDT wallet address in Coinbase. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can find USDT wallet address in your Coinbase account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, you need to log in into your Coinbase account. For that, you need to provide an email address and a password in order to log in. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, in the top left corner, you'll be able to see an option as trade. You need to click on it. As you click on trade, next interface will have a drop down menu. As you click on the trade icon, you'll be able to see an option as withdraw and deposit. From the menu, you need to click on deposit. And as you click on deposit, right in center, a pop-up appears, and from here you need to select the asset. As you can see, right in between you have an option as USDT. You need to select it. As soon as you select it, on the other interface you'll be able to see a QR code right in center and a wallet address right at the bottom. So in order to find the wallet address, you'll either need to copy the wallet address or you need to save the QR code. And that is how you can find wallet address in Coinbase. So that's it for this video. If the video was helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.